The Datasync application, connected to GeoAgro 360, enables users of John Deere's Operations Center to import their field information, yields, and applications, integrating this data with the other available layers within the platform. Let's see the procedure for importing yields or applications. As a starting point, it's essential to have the farm and its fields already created in 360. You need to identify the workspace, farm name, and crop season to indicate to the system that this is where you want to import the John Deere data. From the app switcher in GeoAgro 360, located at the top of the screen, you can access Datasync. In the Import section, click on the plus sign and choose the type of layer of interest. In this example, we will import yield maps. Now, you need to select the source of the data by checking the JD option. If it's your first time using Datasync, you will need to grant some access permissions by logging in as a user of the Operations Center. Once the connection is established, click on Next. To select the operations, in this case, yields, to import, you need to identify the path in the Operations Center, including the organization, customer, and farm. The system will query the database and display all the available yield operations. Check the desired field or fields and click on Next. Please note that you can select up to 10 operations per download and per import process. In this step, the attributes are correlated, meaning that a matching is performed between the data structure in the Operations Center and the target layer in GeoAgro 360. The most relevant attributes, such as harvest date, weight, moisture, and header platform width, are automatically matched. In step 4, the same process occurs, but with the metadata, which refers to the information that is common to all objects and layers being imported. Next, you need to specify the destination of the layer in GeoAgro 360, including the workspace, crop season, and farm where you want to import the yield map. In this final step, the yield data that overlaps with the fields in GeoAgro 360 is displayed. Datasync provides the option to add additional information to the metadata of each layer, including data that is valuable for future auditing and traceability of operations, such as machine, operator, scale yield, etc. However, it is not mandatory to complete this information. Datasync also offers the option to perform statistical cleaning on the map, where extreme values are removed, and the standard deviation is adjusted. This process often results in more reliable information. The final step is to review and confirm the import. Since the process may take a few minutes, the system sends an email notification to the user once the layer has been successfully imported. Once you receive the notification, log into GeoAgro 360 and navigate to the Machinery group. There, you will find the recently imported layer or layers.